I have a 1999 Mercedes-Benz CL, and the battery doesn't work. The trunk doesn't want to open where the battery is. So you see, usually you stick in the key. I push it in left, nothing. See? As we're gonna open the door manually, this still opens. This door is open. Try not to hit this car. Connection to the, I guess, the battery. When you take out the floorboard, I'll show you 1 second. Like, once you take out the floorboard and the metal plate, you're looking at something like this. The red one, no? This one right here. Oi, осторожно! Осторожно! Oh no, I hit my dad. No. I'm sorry, Pop. The red one, box, the red box to the left, no? I'm so sorry.
This one?
Yeah, does it open? Is that a terminal? No?
Terminal BAS, блядь, который меня по голове ударил, сука. It's different. Everything is different.
It's different than the 220 that we saw online.
This one probably positive, this one negative. We try this.
Okay, so
If it's some percent burn,
if you see us, yeah. Okay, here we have the jumper.
this is negative, да?
I hope so. I'll hold the flashlight for him. Be useful for something.
Да, флеш.
Okay.
Подержать вот так.
It's a very important step. Oh, no, I held it wrong. I can't even hold the flashlight. Завести так можно?
Давай, быстрее.
BAS ESP light and ABS light. Motor sounds good, but I hope I didn't fry anything down there. My dad's saying maybe the fuse went out. We blew a fuse by jumping it that way. Right again.
Все, давай.
Nope, dead.
Все, нет?
Yep, it's dead. So we're gonna jump it the regular way. Okay, looks like. Okay, please. Do we have to turn it on? Is the light on? I'm turning it on. Okay, it's on. Starts up like a charm. Is the light still on? Yes. Most likely a fuse.
Этого лайта нет.